So I got a package from Madam Glam. When they first emailed me, I was like, yeah, this is fake. I was like so skeptical, but luckily it's real, as you can tell. So they sent me a nail lamp, which is 48 watts, and they also sent me a few gel polishes to try. And I'll be swatching those very shortly. But first, what I did was plug in the nail lamp to make sure it works, and it does. They also sent me this at the perfect time because in my old lamp, the lights are dying. But anyways, now for the nail polish. But before I speak about the polish, don't you guys just love this box? It's so prestige and I didn't want to rip it open. But the inside was also looking luxurious. So inside the box we have a few polishes, a gel paint and a cuticle oil. So the first colour is Hollow Night, which is like a champagne hollow colour. There is a top coat and a base coat. There is That's the Spirit, which is a red glitter polish, which is very Christmassy. Next is this blue named Crystal Clear, and it's one of those jelly polishes. Next is this nude named I'm Fine. I've recorded this like 4 times because each time I've just been cracking up. But I just love how many eyes they put in it. Next is this silver gel paint. And lastly, in this box is a cuticle oil. So I'm just going to swatch these in the order that I showed them in, but some initial impressions. So first of all, I don't know if this is weird, but I really love the bottle. It's by far the best looking one on my rack, and I hope to get more of these, which I know I will because they have over 800 different shades, so I'm just excited to browse and see what they have. They actually have a VIP program where you can get 50% off the polishes with free shipping and free exchanges. And they also gave me something to give to you guys, which is 30% off the website. So if you're interested in buying anything, my code is Phyllis30_1 and I have a link to their website in my description box. Anyways, back to the polishes. So I noticed a lot of these were really pigmented, so I could actually get away with using one coat for a lot of them, except from that one obviously, because that's a glitter polish and that's always going to be sparse. But 2 coats of the glitter polish was enough, and I kind of wish I got this before Christmas so I could have done a Christmas nail set using that color. Wait, ignore that. I did get it before Christmas. I got it on Christmas Eve. I was out shopping that day, and when I came home I seen the box and I was like, what's this? So I took it in, opened it and seen that it was from Madam Glam, and I was just kind of like, thank God this was real, because I totally forgot about it, and had it have been a scam would have been sad. But I didn't actually open the boxes of polish till the day after Christmas, but I will figure out a nail set for it. And this nude is the last gel polish out of the box, and this is the color that I decided to use for my nail set. Finally is the silver gel paint, which I only did 1 coat of because it was really pigmented. And these are the swatches side by side. All of them have 2 coats except from the silver gel paint. So for this nail set, I'll be using my full coverage nail tips, and I'm going to be adhering them using top coat. But before I do that, I'm going to use my Macart Peel It Off base coat. I literally cannot live without this. I like the fact that I can pop my nails off whenever. Like, sometimes I pop my nails off right after I've recorded. Sometimes I keep it on for a few days, you know. I don't know why I didn't start using this a lot earlier. So I used Madam Glam's top coat to stick on my nails. So all I did was applied the top coat over the peel off base coat, put the tip onto my nail and then cure it. I did it in my last 2 videos if you actually want to see it. So now I'm going to go in with I'm Fine. I'm never not gonna do that. Every time I use this color, I'm going to do that. Also, I know I said I was gonna do some more winter sets, but what I had in mind was initially to use the crystal clear color, the blue one, and do like an icicle nail design with it. I did actually try it before I did this nail set and it failed so badly, so I said, okay, I'm just gonna do what I know, something simple and something pretty. I was gonna show the footage in this video to kind of show you what not to do, but it looked so bad, and I said, okay, I'm just gonna spare them looking at that disaster. But I will be back to winter nail sets next week. So this is what one coat looks like, and this was 2 coats of it, which I applied off camera. Next, I decided to go in with my silver gel paint and do some type of nail art with it, and I ended up doing lines, which I know I've already done before, but I said I'm gonna try it again and see, because the first time I did it, it flopped, but it didn't flop this time, it actually worked out. So I really liked working with this gel paint, mostly because it worked perfect for nail art. When doing fine nail art like this and you use like a glitter polish, you have to like pack it on in order to see the glitter pop, but with this one it was 1 coat and you could really see how bright it was. I opted to do 2 coats just to see if the glitter would pop even more, and it did. One thing I'll add is that when I made a mistake and I wiped it off, a lot of the glitter smeared and got stuck on the nail. But what I did to get rid of it was soaked a paper towel in 90% alcohol, and then I wiped the nail again and all the glitter came off. So for my thumb, I didn't record the second line I drew because there was way too many mistakes happening on this thumb, and this when I tell you that it was just hanging, like I'm surprised you can't see it lifting. It was holding onto air at this point. But anyways, I decided to use my butterflies that I got from Shein, and I adhered it using top coat. I usually do this and it lasts me a long time. I would have liked to have tested how long they hold with Madam Glam's top coat, but I took these nails off right after I was done filming, and that's mostly because the thumb was falling off. How it actually fell off was just the weirdest thing. So story time. I have a t-shirt on top of my door. I put it there last week. It's been chilling there ever since. I walk in and out of this room every single day, but this one time I walk in the room and the t-shirt falls straight onto my thumb and pops it off. The way in which it happened, it was almost something out of like a Dumb and Dumber movie. It was just so stupid, and I've been trying to tell this story for the longest amount of time because I just couldn't stop laughing. And I know some of you are sitting at home with the straightest face ever, like, what the heck is so funny? Yeah, I'm sorry, I laugh at everything. I don't know why, but I do. So I applied some of the Madam Glam Elixir Cuticle Oil, and I will say a little bit of this goes a long way. I actually drenched my fingernails in the oil. But this is the end result. What do you guys think? I really like how the colors complement each other, but I want to say thank you to Madam Glam. But if you guys like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.